A three-day agriculture festival will be held in Raisen from April 11 to 13. Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan reviewed preparations and flag off 8 promotional vehicles. Around 300 stalls will be set up and 20 sessions will guide farmers on modern farming technique. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will inaugurate the event while Nitin Gadkari will attend the closing ceremony. The festival aims to connect farmers with new technology, better markets and improved methods to increase their income and strengthen the agriculture sector. An LPG crisis is creating problems in Madhya Pradesh, especially in Bhopal and Indore. New 14 kg gas connections have been temporarily stopped and online services like eKYC and applications are not working. As relief, only 5 kg connections will be provided for now, which can be later upgraded. Indian Oil Corporation's Indian service is facing the most issues. Customer will receive booking and delivery updates through SMS. The government has directed oil companies to fix the situation soon and restore normal supply. The School Chale Hum campaign has started in Madhya Pradesh for the new academic session 2026-27. Officials visited schools in cities like Indore, Bhopal and Gwalior to welcome students. In Indore, 162 officers attended school, while participation was lower in Bhopal. Students were greeted with tilak, given books and motivated to study well. Collector Shivam Verma encouraged children to stay positive and never lose hope. The campaign aims to increase school attendance and create a joyful learning environment for students. Television actress Kaveri Priyam visited the famous Mahakaleshwar temple early Saturday morning. She attended the sacred Bhasma Aarti and offered prayers to Lord Shiva. Sitting in the Nandi Hall at 4 am, she experienced the spiritual atmosphere and later performed rituals. Kaveri said she has been visiting the temple for the past 3 years and finds the energy of the Bhasma Aarti truly divine. She described the experience as powerful and unforgettable, highlighting her deep spiritual connection with the temple. A major road project has been approved in Madhya Pradesh to boost connectivity. A 22-kilometer Tiger corridor between Itarsi and Betul will be developed into a 4-lane highway. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari announced that the project will cost Rs 758 crore. The upgrade of NH46 will improve transport, road safety and access to markets for farmers. The region is rich in agriculture and minerals, and this project is expected to boost the local economy and create better opportunities. Sudden weather changes have affected Madhya Pradesh with heavy hailstorms reported in Betul and Gwalior. Roads appeared white, resembling scene from Kashmir. The weather department has issued alert for storm, rain and lightning in 45 districts including Bhopal. Lightning strikes caused 4 deaths in Sioni and Rewa, while crop in Raisen suffered major damage. Due to cyclonic circulation, unstable weather may continue for the next 24 hours. Authorities have advised people to stay alert and take precautions. This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories.